Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And now we will be reacting to another So Hyang performance entitled Dream. In Korean it's called Kom, and I am singer too. So she got 471,000 views and 2,000 likes. And now I am wearing a semi-formal attire because I am in the office right now. And it's already lunchtime, and this will be my lunchtime. This will be my lunch doing reaction videos. So without further ado, let's go and watch the video. Korean. Wow, the beat though. R&B.
정말 저 짜릿한 기분을 다시 느끼고 싶다. 정말 해보고 싶었어요. 진짜 다시.
Look at the hair. Wow. The faces. They were just like speechless.
오늘 노래처럼 그래서 이거를 더 일부러 선택했어요. 꿈꾸자, 날아오르자. 그래.
포기하지 않아. Don't give up.
보여주는 시간이었던 가스펠이라는 특수 목적을 갖고 있는 장르인데 다른 가수들에 비해서 훨씬 더 전달력이 출중하지 않나.
Wow. Here we go again. There's a lot of interview in this clip.
제가 그동안 보여드리지 못했던 많은 다양한 것들을 좀 보여드리고 싶어요.
The long hair, the beauty in the leaves, and the man and girl. Here we go. Ay nako, grabe. So that is her rendition of Dream in Korean Gom. I really, actually guys, I already said this to my previous vlogs that I can partially understand Korean, and there's some lyrics that I can understand, like 포기하지 않아, meaning don't give up, like that. And she did great, and she can sing anything. This was 6 years ago, 2012, 6 years ago, and from 2012 up to 2018, I think there is no changes in her voices except for her, I think, techniques and how to sing the song. And So Hyang is really great and very talented because the vocal runs, the culottes, the R&B thing, she made it perfectly. She did it perfectly, and the crazy notes still there. The growling, the shouting style, but shouting that good to my ears. And if this is a competition, I think she'll be the winner. And there's a lot of co-artists that watch her performance, and I think they were so speechless. I think when So Hyang performed, the other K-pop singers or artists may be intimidated the way she sang, because she can do a crazy note that can reach to heaven, like that. And that's it. So guys, if you have any videos you want me to react, just comment down below, click the like button and smash the subscribe button. Bye!